Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now today, we are talking about one of the best ways to spend a summer afternoon, and that is by hanging out on the trampoline with your friends in your backyard. Trampolines are an awesome way for kids to not only enjoy themselves, but also get a ton of great exercise and maybe learn some new skills while they're at it. It's perfect as a gymnast stunt space and even a toddler play area. Now there are tons of different trampolines out there, and they come in a lot of different shapes, sizes, and designs. There's even a ton of new cool features that create added value to your trampoline setup. So today, we've actually done a ton of research on trampolines, and today we're going to be diving into some of our favorite choices to see which might be right for you in your particular situation. Now, as always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so you can check them out there if you're interested, and if I happen to find any deals, discounts, or coupon codes, I'll drop those down there for you as well. So first off, we have the best trampoline overall, and that's going to be the Merax 12-foot trampoline with safety enclosure net. As the title suggests, this is a large trampoline coming in at 12 feet in size. It also has a great enclosure net for safety and an added basketball hoop for some extra fun. Now this trampoline is definitely designed with safety in mind. It does feature heavy gauge galvanized rust-resistant steel construction with a total of 6 W-shaped legs for added stability. It also has 5 foam padded poles and high quality UV proof safety enclosure. This is definitely a very safe option, and it's going to last a long time due to the high quality of materials that it's made from. Also, the added bonus of a great basketball net included is truly fantastic and will bring some added value and excitement for your kids. So if you're just looking for the best overall trampoline, definitely check out the Merax 12-foot trampoline with safety enclosure net. Next up, we have the best mini trampoline, and that's going to be the Sportplus Silent Fitness Mini Trampoline. Now, mini trampolines are great for convenient indoor exercise. Now, these are definitely a little different than a large outdoor trampoline. They're more to use for an easy at-home fitness tool, and generally they're much smaller, lighter, and generally more affordable. Now, with this particular trampoline, it does offer a max capacity of 286 pounds, and it has a stabilizing handrail that will adjust from 33 to 47 inches. One great feature, as this will be an indoor trampoline, is it does come with a net cover and bungee rope design, which is meant to minimize the noise of your bouncing. This is definitely a compact and portable option. It measures approximately 44 inches wide, and it has a jumping pad surface of about 33 inches. Also, if you would like to store this one away when you're not using it, it does have a detachable handrail, making it a very convenient and safe option. So if you want to add a little bit of extra bounce to your workout, definitely check out the best mini trampoline, the Sportplus Silent Fitness Mini Trampoline. Next up, for those of you on a budget, we have the best budget trampoline, and that's going to be the Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline. Now, it's no secret that some trampolines can be very expensive, especially the larger outdoor ones. But if you just want something compact and small that's very affordable for inside your home, then this is a great option. It has a 36-inch diameter and 30 tension bands for a safe bounce and the ability to support up to 250 pounds. It'll be a great addition to any workout. Also, one great feature, it does have 6 rubber-tipped detachable legs, and it also folds down for even tighter storage. So you can slip this thing into a closet or even take it with you wherever you go. The best part about this feature is the price, and it definitely comes in well underneath your typical trampoline. So if you're looking for a great budget option, definitely check out the Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline. Next up, we have the best trampoline for kids, and that's going to be the Avenor Toddler Trampoline. Now this trampoline is meant for children ages 2 and over and can support up to 150 pounds. It does have a foam padded handlebar and compact 36-inch diameter. This is honestly a great way for your young kids to burn off some steam and to get some great exercise out of it as well. This trampoline stands at a suitable height of 36 inches tall, which is great for many young kids. The extra added handlebar is also great for stability, meaning that they'll be safer while they bounce. Also, for all you parents out there, this one is super easy to assemble. You can put it together without much frustration, which is definitely an added bonus. So if you're looking for a great trampoline for your kids, definitely check out the Avenor Toddler Trampoline. Next up, we have the best rectangle trampoline, and that's going to be Skywalker Trampoline's Rectangle Jump and Dunk Trampoline. Now, having a rectangle trampoline definitely adds some added features. Generally, it offers a higher bounce than a round trampoline, and the shape better allows for those budding gymnasts to do some serious tricks. This one has a great large-size safety enclosure net along with basketball hoop, and it's definitely reasonably priced for a trampoline in this category. It measures 18 feet by 14 feet, and it does feature extra long springs that aim to produce stellar bounce and uses an enclosure net to bring added safety and protection. Even the basketball hoop here is made out of soft material, so you can dunk without hurting yourself. So again, if you have some adventurous children in your house that want to learn to do some real gymnastic tricks, then definitely check out the Skywalker Trampolines Rectangle Jump and Dunk Trampoline. Anyway guys, if you're looking to spice up your backyard or add a little bounce to your workout, and you're looking for a great trampoline to do the job, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If so, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And just a reminder, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so you can check them out there and do a little bit of your own research if you like. Also, if I happen to find any discounts or deals, I'll put those down there for you as well. Also, if you happen to have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them below. I do love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today. Stay safe out there and happy bouncing.